Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fancave. It's 10:12 p.m. Tuesday, September 26th, 2017. What we're looking at today is a new-in-the-box 36-inch Lasko ceiling fan in Slate Blue. These were available through, I believe, Kmart back in the late 80s and early 90s. This one in particular, if you'll see the tag there, was from, let's see, this was, cost a total of $26.94. Back in 8/22 of 93. So it's called a Lasko Metal Pro, which is kind of an amusing name because there's nothing even remotely metal about this fan. Yeah, let's see here. And it was it's made in the USA with Asian parts, I'm sure. And it was manufactured by Klong 690. Okay, now you take a look inside here, you'll see it has pretty much everything in the original sealed packages. The upper canopy, the mounting bracket, I should say, four down rod and the four blade brackets. Okay, the bottom plate where the light goes. And the four blades. Even the light shade itself is made out of plastic. Which is good, means less stuff to break. You can't complain. Upper canopy. And the motor. So you have the it does come with the bottom plate, so you can actually have it, you can, it's your choice, you can use it with or without the light kit. So yeah, just three little clips that have a propensity to break, so I'm going to be very careful with these. But I'm going to show you what it looks like with and without the light kit. Here for now. Okay. So I'll start hacking it open. One of those things I'm always torn about, new in box ceiling fans, because part of me wants to keep it in original condition forever, and then again, that's the only real fun of owning a ceiling fan, is being able to play with it and make it spin and install it, uninstall it, and so I'm always kind of on the fence about that. I want to keep it in original condition, but I also like messing around with it, so it's like the ultimate fan collector's conundrum. Even the screw heads are blue. That's interesting. First and foremost, I'm going to hitch up the mounting bracket. Check this thing out. I got this in my next door neighbor. He had a after he died, there was an estate sale. He was 93 years old, and I picked this up new in the box for I think like $4 or something, or $6. It's proven itself to be worth its weight in gold. Come on, you son of a... Alrighty then. Now here you have a whole assortment of different screws, and if you're going to screw it into a piece of, into a joist, you can have these long screws, but I just used an electrical box myself. Now, I normally don't condone installing blades on fans before they're in the ceiling. However, this time this fan is so light that it's so small that it's not going to be that big of a deal getting it in there. Plastic fantastic. I love how they idiot-proof it this side up. Son of a... Ugh. Ah, may as well be in China. Oops. Knew something looked wrong. These are actually supposed to be blue screw heads. So I shall swap them out. Son of a... Alright, halfway there with the blades.